It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog. It's been a hard day's night, I should be sleeping like a log. But then I came home to you, I find the things that you do, it makes me feel alright. When I'm home, everything seems to be right, yeah. When I'm home, feeling you holding me tight, tight, hey. Hey guys, I'm Vasco, and today I'll show you how I'm playing Hard Day's Night by the Beatles. I'll show you how I'm doing it in the original key on a high G string ukulele. It's a relatively simple song. It has a few details that are very complicated. Still, I'll show them to you. If you have quick fingers, you'll be able to make it sound really cool. But even if you don't, it's a classic tune. Let's go. Okay, we gotta start with the intro chord. Basically, the two guitars are playing two different chords. One is playing D7 suspended 4, and the other one is playing F add 9. So choose for yourself which one of these sound better for you, and just do it. For me personally, I think that the D7 suspended 4 on the ukulele sounds better. That's why this is what I'm playing in the intro. And after that we go to the verse, which starts with G to C to G, and then to F, back to G. And we are repeating this thing twice. It's been a hard day's night, I should be sleeping like a log. And then C, when I came home to you, I find the things that you do, to D, and then again G to C to G. Alright, let's see how the strumming is going. You can see that G and C are splitting a bar on two places in the verse. So I start on G and I do down, down, up, and then on C, down, up, down, grabbing back G, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And then I repeat the same strumming, just on F we don't change the chord. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. But of course, don't follow these too strictly. It's just a basic guide around the strumming pattern. Alright, and after that we have the bridge, which is actually the Paul McCartney's part. It starts with B minor to E minor. Everything seems to be right, back to B minor. And then to G, when I'm home, to E minor, feeling you holding me tight, to C, to D. Okay. When I'm home, everything seems to be right, yeah. When I'm home, feeling you holding me tight, tight. It's been a hard day's night. Alright, and then we have the solo, which starts with something like, okay, I'm grabbing G. Actually, let me come a little bit closer to show you this. So we grab G, trying to avoid the A string. And then on the A string first fret, grabbing C7 to C, and then G, but with the pinky on the 5th fret. Okay? Alright, and here is the tricky part, the one that I told you if you're quick enough, you'll probably do it. I personally cannot, that's why I'm just playing like this. The actual tones are here, barring on the 5th fret, G, A, A 8th fret, Okay. But because this is a little bit too quick, what I'm doing basically is just I'm making a mess with the right hand and with the pinky just like this. Alright, so. Something like this. Another way that you can do it is up here. All right. Or another way that you can do it is up here, grabbing the pinky there, and then right now I'm doing it slowly and it's easy, but actually it should be with a very ridiculous tempo. That's why I'm just using the mess thing. And if you notice, these are the exact chord of the first part of the verse, and when you repeat it twice, we go to the second part of the verse. But when I get home to you, I find the things that you do, it makes me feel alright. And after that we have the outro. After you did the quick G, C to G once as part of the verse, you do it 2 more times as part of the outro. You make me feel alright, make me feel alright. And here, for the ending of the outro, you can do this D7 to F9, to D7 to F9. And basically the song just fades out from these 2 chords. And of course you can just finish it on the root if you want to, I don't know. Well, that's a very fun song. Make sure you add it to your repertoire. And I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, suggest songs in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.